Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn how to validate the title name of web application in Selenium WebDriver. So let's start. Friends, this is my fourth video of Selenium WebDriver. So first we will recall that what we have done in last three videos. In my first video of Selenium WebDriver, we shown the prerequisite of Selenium WebDriver. In my second video, we have written the first Selenium WebDriver script, and in my third video, we have written the cross-browser script for Open WebDriver application. Now, what will we do? In this video, we will learn how to validate web application title name using assertion. So friends, your question is what is assertion? So assertion are the validations or checkpoints for an application. Assertion states confidently that application behavior is working as expected. One can say that asserts in Selenium are used to validate the test case. That means assertions tell us that whatever we have done or whatever our actual result is matches with our expected result or not. That means it shows it's compare the expected and actual result and tell us the final output. So let's see in a practical way. Friends, in my previous video we have created one project. This is the project which I have created demo Selenium. In that demo Selenium I have created one package named Selenium, and inside package I have created my all the classes. So similarly I will use the same package. So now I am creating my another class. Go to new and class. Here I will provide my class name as page title. Now click finish. As you can see, in my package, in the same package I have created one class. Now what will happen? We will first define our WebDriver. It will ask for import our WebDriver, then it is imported. Now how can we find our actual and expected title? First we will define two methods. In first method we will find the application title, and in our second method we will close the browser. So we will write our two methods here. Please look carefully. Public void application title. This is my first method. And I will write another method, public void close browser. So we will write our steps in my first method. So first what will we do? We will set system properties. System dot set property. In key we will provide WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and in value we will provide the path. As you know that in the project I have created one folder, and inside folder I have defined my drivers in my second video. So you can watch the second video first to learn how can we create our folder in the project. So I have already created my folder in the project, so I just provide my driver path. After set the system properties, we will create an instance of Chrome driver. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. These two steps will launch our browser. It will asking for import Chrome driver, so it imported. These two steps will launch our browser. Now we will provide the web application. We will launch our web application. So for this we will write driver.get, and here we will provide the web application URL. You can use your own URL, project URL. Otherwise, you can, for practice purpose, you can launch any of the web site or web application. I am launching yahoo.com. And now we will write for get title. Driver.get title. So these four steps will launch our browser, hit the application name, and find the title. Now we will find out that whatever application find the title name is correct or not. So for this we will first define our actual result, actual title name. So go to your browser and launch yahoo.com. So as you can see, this is my actual URL. So I just copy this URL and paste into the my here. Although this URL also right, it will directly navigate. Otherwise, you can just copy paste your URL. Now, what will we do? We will right click and go to inspect. And once you inspect, press Ctrl F and type title. You can find the title name. So just copy this title name because this is your expected title. So here I will write expected title equals to, this is my expected title. Okay, I just forgot to, yes, and this expected title is my string type. Semicolon. This is my expected title, and this driver.get title will give us the actual title. So I will save this into the actual title, and actual title is also a string type. This is my actual title. Now what will we do? We will print our title. So for printing, write system dot system dot out dot println, and inside you can write the title of the page or application. Title of the application is, and actual title will give the title of the application. Now this will show me that title of the application is, it will print the title of the application. Now how can we verify that this is the actual or expected title is match or not? So for this we will use assert command. So we will write assert dot assert equals here I will provide the actual. So what is my actual? This is my actual title. So just copy this actual title, and this is my expected title. Now we have done. In my second method, we will close the browser. Just one line. So we have done with our script. Now what will we do? We will run this. Before run, we will use test method to show me the proper output result. So we will write test annotation, import using test ng we are executing. Similarly, here I am using the test also, and we can give the priorities that which test run first. So I just want application title run first, then after close browser. Second priority will be the close browser. Priority equals to 1, and this will priority 2. Now everything is done. I will save the class and run. Go to right click, run as test-ng test. Let's see what happens. It run my test-ng version. My Chrome run successfully. It started. Launch my Chrome. Launch the URL. Now close. So in console window you can check that. In console window you can check that the title of the application is Yahoo, whatever title we have find expected result, and you can see that my application title and my close browser both test cases are passed. In result you can check that it is showing green. I have created one test case, two test case and two method. Now you can do one more thing is, as you see that my browser is not maximized. So what will I do? After launching the browser, I will make, or I will, after launching this, I will make browser maximize. Driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. So what will happen? It will maximize my window. I will run it again. Once it, now you can see that I have run two test cases and both test cases pass, because in failure it is showing 0 and escape it is showing 0. In console window you can check the title of the page application is Yahoo India, and my both the test cases pass. Similarly in result you can check pass 2. In all tests you can check that all are green. In fail nothing. Summary, all test case pass. So friend, this is the way you can write your script for finding the validation of your title. So if you feel this is a useful video for you, then please like and share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.